लखनऊ से मेरे सहयोगी कुमार अभिषेक मेरे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं। अभिषेक, बताएं क्या कह रहे हैं लखनऊ के लोग।
बहुत शुक्रिया मैडम फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर। हम उत्तर प्रदेश सबसे बड़े राज्य में हैं और बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ आपसे सवाल पूछने को उत्सुक हैं।
माय नेम इज संदीप कोहली। आई एम इनटू गारमेंट रिटेल एंड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग। माय क्वेश्चन एंड सजेशन एंड रिक्वेस्ट that the slab of 2,500 rupees has been put, a cap of 2,500 rupees for increasing the and the taxation is 12% on that. So that is a very meager amount. It should be at least 7,000 rupees on a minimum.
सवाल क्या है अपने को?
जी नमस्ते मैम, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर नीरज कुमार मिश्रा है। सबसे पहले 140 करोड़ की डेमोक्रेसी को इतने सिंप्लीफाई और इतने आसानी से और पेशेंटली समझाने के लिए आपको सबसे पहले हैप्पी टीचर्स डे। और मेरा जो सवाल है मैम कि जब वर्ल्ड की सबसे रिचेस्ट जो बॉडी है उसको हम चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट बोल करके टैक्स से बाहर रख सकते हैं, तो जो सिर्फ 33 जो इसेंशियल जो लाइफ सेविंग ड्रग है उसके अलावा जो सबसे ज्यादा कॉमनली यूज करने वाली जो डे टू डे की जो मेडिसिन हैं उस पर अभी भी 5% का टैक्स किसी भी मिडिल क्लास को या लोअर क्लास को देना पड़ेगा। तो मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि जिस तरीके से चैरिटेबल बॉडी बोल करके अगर वो भी टैक्स फ्री है तो मेडिसिन का एक ऐसा बर्डन है जो सभी परिवारों को लोअर लेवल पे ले आता है। तो मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि इसको भी बिल्कुल टैक्स फ्री किया जाए।
चलिए, आपका क्या?
मैडम, मेरा नाम मुकेश सिंह है। मैं इंडो अमेरिकन चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स का उत्तर प्रदेश का चेयरमैन हूँ। चूँकि मेरे सारे मेंबर्स जो है वो इंडो यूएस बिजनेस में ट्रेड करते हैं, तो मेरा सवाल ये है कि जो अभी टैरिफ वॉर चल रहा है बिटवीन इंडिया एंड यूएस, तो उसमें अगर हम इंपोर्टेड गुड्स से कोई इंपोर्टेड इनपुट से अगर कोई हमारे मेंबर्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करते हैं और उस पर गुड्स बनाते हैं, तो जीएसटी का जो नया रेट आया है उससे क्या कॉस्ट पे कोई असर आने वाला है? क्योंकि उससे कॉस्ट पर असर आएगा तो कंपटीशन से बाहर भी हो सकते हैं। मेरा सवाल ये है।
See, the cap for garments at 2,500 is levied because still up to that rate we don't want people to be burdened by tax, high tax. And increase it to 7,000 is a good suggestion, but in the council and in the group of officers which went into the detail, they didn't think it was necessary at this stage to increase it to 7,000. It was 1,000. We've brought it up to 2,500. Earlier, up to 1,000, if you bought it, it was without the burden, and over and above that, you had to pay the rate. Whereas now, from 1,000, we've taken it up to 2,500. At a stroke, you want to increase it to 7,000. I didn't think the committee, the council was in favor of anything beyond this. So that explains on the garment and the cap.
टैरिफ को लेकर
The healthcare. I think that's an important sector.
No, wait a minute. Now, we've reduced for more than 300 items. We've removed completely life-saving drugs, particularly for those which are for people with such illnesses which are requiring of these life-saving drugs. Then we've also made medical equipments free so that diagnostics can be made available for all people without tax. Now, if the intention is to tell me every medicine be removed from taxation, I'll take that as a suggestion and let's see what the council has to say.
And tariffs, ma'am. There was a question done that as well.
See, on the tariffs, as I said, we have not worked GST in anticipation of such a tariff which will hit us. But yet, what has been provided now is going to take care of the input costs in a way because of tax. If tax was heavy there, we tried matching the output costs with it so that the gap doesn't widen. That one case where one earlier speaker spoke about a particular item where it is too big, the gap, I'll have to study that. But otherwise, tariff-related 50% hitting you is something which I have not taken on board. As I said, I have not worked for US tariff-based relief. That is a separate thing which the government will work out as a scheme to see how exporters of tariffs. But you're talking about importing an item for which the costs have gone up because of the tariff. And as a result, what you're going to produce is going to be more expensive. This is not my tax which has burdened you. But I will have to understand how that tariff because of import which comes here, as it is, the tariff is being levied only for those items which are getting exported. If your final item is getting exported and that gets faced with 50% US tariff, it's an issue which the government will have to study, not the GST Council. But if you're telling me my imports are going up, levy is not, the tariff is not on the imports, it's on exports from India. But if you're getting not affected by tariff, items coming into India, and then your output getting hit by tariff, as I said, the government will take care.